I'm Mike Krzyzewski, West Point, class of 1969. I graduated from the best school in the world. Got an opportunity to coach at my alma mater when I was 28 years old, and having some outstanding teams gave me a springboard to be competitive for the Duke job, and got the Duke job, and 36 years later, I'm still here. When you're willing to make the commitment and be a part of the academy, you grow. You come out a leader, and you come out with the confidence that you can develop teams and you can win. Go Army and beat everybody, not just Navy.